Hey guys, let's learn how to do vlookup in Excel. It's very simple and it's basically used when you are dealing with the huge number of data. So I have these datas like in column A, there are telecallers name and subsequently in column B, the bosses to whom they are reporting. In column C, I have number of calls done by these telecallers. In column D, I have leads made by this telecaller and eventually, I have follow-up data in column E. Likewise, I have said previously that I have bunch of data in sheet 1. Now let's go to sheet 2. I have some specific telecaller's name and I want to know how many calls has been taken by these telecallers. How many calls has been taken? In that case, you can apply vlookup formula. In order to apply vlookup, just enter equal to then enter VL. Now you can see the VLOOKUP formula is popping up. Then just double click on that. Now select the cell for what you want the data. Like I want to know how many calls has been taken by Rohan. So I'm clicking on cell A2, then enter comma. Now you have to select table array. So in that case, you have to go to sheet 1 in order to select the table array. Select the column A, then press shift and select the column C. Column C is at third column. After selecting the array, enter comma. Now you have to select the column index. Like I have said, the number of calls done is in column number 3. So select 3, then enter comma. Now here, if you want to know the approximate match, then enter 1, or if you want to know the exact match, then enter 0. I want to know exact match, so I'm entering 0, then close bracket and just simply enter. Now you have the data for Rohan, like how many calls has been taken by Rohan, it's 30. Now if you want to know the data for Raju and Rahul, just drag the cell number B2 downward and you can have a data for Raju and Rahul as well, because the VLOOKUP is applied for Raju and Rahul similarly what it applied for Rohan. In this way you can get the data by VLOOKUP. Thank you.